y'all. This is gonna be a trial for a beginners friendly eyeshadow tutorial. The goal is to only use 3 eyeshadows. This is gonna be a quick talk through, walk through, visualize and see. Already did my eyebrows and I primed my lids already, so if you want to see how I do that, just go ahead and check out my other videos. I'm using Morphe's 35B eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. However, it is discontinued, so if you have any eyeshadow palettes that are close, or if you want to use whatever colors you have, today's look is going to be blue, so I'm going to be using blue hues. You can use whatever colors that you would like, but I'm going to be using blue because that's the color of my outfit. So what I want to start with first and foremost is going to be the darker color blue. So I'm going to be using the blue channels here, the dark color blue, the lighter color blue, and then maybe this blue here, or I might use another blue for my lid depending on how I feel. So what I want to start with first and foremost is going to be the darker color blue. So I'm going to be using the blue channels here, the dark color blue, the lighter color blue, and then maybe this blue here, or I might use another blue for my lid depending on how I feel. So that's the intro. Keep on watching. So for our lids, we're not going to do a cut crease. Again, this is a beginner easy makeup tutorial. You want to just use a flat brush. Choose your lid color using a flat brush. Concealer and contour using CoverGirl True Blend in Warm Tawny.